ideal positioning. The ball of the foot is on the pedal. That will allow the ankle free range of motion. Now let's see if we can go through this. So you can see here, we've got Jeremy's heel on the pedal. The reason why you would position like this is, let's say in the first week to 2 weeks, you're not near a full range of full revolution on the bike, but you want to be able to get a little more motion. If you move your heel on the surgical leg to the pedal, and on the other side, which we can't see in this photo, he's got the ball of the foot. Essentially what's happening is the heel shortens the leg, the ball of the foot lengthens the leg, but it allows me to get better motion through the arc that you're using to increase the range of motion. So if I move the foot where the pedal is on the heel, I don't need as much knee flexion, so it's easier to start working on the bike with the pedal at the heel. But the goal is the pedal at the ball of the foot.